when you enter your JAMB hall, don't pray. I know this is controversial, but I will tell you why. Prayer is very important, but I don't recommend you enter the JAMB hall and start praying, and this is the reason. In the JAMB exam, you have 180 questions, right? And you have only 40 seconds to attempt each question. Okay, so you will be given 180 questions. Use of English will come with 60 questions, then there will be 40 questions, 40 questions, 40 questions in the other three subjects. When you add 60 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, it will give you 180 questions. And then you will have only not even up to 1 minute to attempt each question. Now, some people will complain after the exam. They will come and say they scored 180 or 2 something. But if they had finished their questions, if they have attempted all the questions, they would have scored higher. They would have scored 300 and above. This is because they entered the first few minutes, they started using it to pray. Prayer is very, 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 very important. In fact, before your exam, I'm going to drop a prayer video for us. We are going to pray, all of us, in our Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. We are going to pray as one family. But all the prayers we have to do, I encourage you to do it before the exam. Before you enter the exam, maybe before you leave your house, or a night before you enter the JAMB hall. Spend some time, quality time, praying. Pray to God is so important. Whether you're a Muslim or whether you're a Christian, whether you pray together with a team, with your family, your parents, or you are alone, or your classmates, anyone, pray so hard before the exam. But once you find yourself inside the exam hall and they have on your computer, once the system is on, you know you are not writing with paper and pen, you are writing with your CBT, your computer. There's computer. Once it is on for you, start answering your question. If I were you, once you come to your venue, of course, I've always encouraged you to arrive at the venue 1 hour, 30 minutes before the commencement of your exam. If you have 6:30 exam, make sure you sleep over somewhere that is close, so that at most 6 o'clock to 6, you're already in the venue. Once you step into the venue, take some time and pray. But once you find yourself inside the JAMB hall, the time for prayer is over. God have answered your prayer. Focus. Once they're on your system, it's not time. You don't have any second to spare. Every second you have should be invested into answering your questions. Do you understand? So once you enter, focus, start answering your questions. I will still do a video about the things you will need to do once you enter the exam hall. Once they're on your system, I will still do a video on how to maximize your time. But don't waste any time. There will be a lot of distractions. There may be noise. There will be agents of distraction around you. There may be noise everywhere, but let that not distract you. Focus on your system. Focus on the questions. Focus on your 4 subjects. Allocate your time properly and begin to answer. Let nothing distract you. In our channel, I've done videos. We've done videos on physics, on chemistry, on government. If you need me to give you access, free access to all the videos we've done on all these subjects, I could give it to you free of charge, so that you spend the little hours or days we have before you enter the exam hall focusing on these videos. We have done videos on past questions and the answers, expected questions, expo questions and the answers, so you can get them. I hope you understand what I said. If I have not given you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus, if you need them, just let me know. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe. And if you need us to speak, if you need us to be guiding you as you enter the exam hall, just become a full member of our YouTube channel. If you want to know how to become a full member, just let me know. I'll send you the link. You become a full member, and I and my team will keep guiding you as you write your exam. This exam, you are going to score 300 and above, and God will guide you. Thank you so much. If you have any question, let me know right now in the comment section. If you want to become a full member, let me know in the comment section.